Most traders go full-time at exactly the wrong moment. After a winning month with no cash buffer, without proper risk management, without a mechanical strategy, and without a bulletproof mindset. And the market ends them within 90 days. They pushed away the only guaranteed paycheck they were getting, and now they're searching for more full-time employment. I've worked with many traders, and roughly 1 in 4 of those traders have attempted to go full-time. Half of those traders couldn't handle full-time trading and went back to full-time employment. The half that survived all followed one rule, the others didn't. By the end of this video, you're going to know 2 things. Firstly, what that one rule is. And secondly, I'm going to give you a full, complete 90-day plan on how you can successfully transition from full-time work, a 9-to-5 job, to full-time trading, and how you can make that transition without ever having to need to go back to a 9-to-5 job. Now, the one rule here is never quit your secure income, your secure paycheck on a wish, on a hope, without running the numbers, without having the proper processes established. In this video, I'm going to give you the full, complete 90-day plan, each of the action steps that it would be wise to follow if you want to transition from full-time work, your 9-to-5 job, to full-time trading, and do it successfully, and do it in a way which you can sustain, and do it in a way which isn't stress-inducing. Now, one of the most common reasons for traders wanting to go full-time in the first place, and it was something that popped up recently with a trader I'm working with, is they tend to have these goals with their trading. They tend to say things like, I want to make a certain amount of percentage and have a certain amount of funding, and I want to achieve that really quickly. And these are the goals that these traders set. They want to hit $10,000 per month in 3 months' time. And these are the positive fantasies and the positive goals that they're propelled to. And then when we track it back to the unconscious reasoning as to why they want those goals, what we usually find is that there's some sort of pain and there's some sort of challenge in their job that they're trying to run away from. There's certain tasks that they don't enjoy in their job. There's certain responsibilities they don't enjoy. There are certain things they have to do that they would prefer not to do. And there are certain challenges and tasks in that job which actually create the impulsiveness to wanting to get funded, wanting to get to a certain amount of money from their trading every month and payouts and quit their 9-to-5 job. Now, what I tell these traders and what I advise these traders is I say, great, these are excellent goals to have. You want to be hitting $10,000 per month. You have a strategy that can make you 5% per month. That's proven, on average 5% per month. You already have enough funding, $200,000, to be able to generate that $10,000. And you have the process established. And you have that, and you have the game plan in place to consistently execute that so you can build 3 more months worth of data, to get more payouts, to build your cash reserves. They already have the process established. So the goal will be achieved as a result of good process. What's wise in the meantime is working on addressing the challenges you have in your work and asking yourself the question, what can I do to manage these challenges, whether it's delegating certain parts of the work I have to do at work, or deleting it altogether, or automating it. And then how can you continue to work your job for the next 3 to 6 months, and every task you don't enjoy doing at work, how you can spruce that up and you can fire that up and see how that actually helps you to have consistent profitability. Because right now your job is serving a great purpose. It's giving you a consistent guaranteed paycheck. It's offering you security, but there are certain pains at work that you don't enjoy as well. So if you don't learn how to reframe those certain pains and delegate them and reframe them to see how they're helping with your trading, then you're going to put yourself in between a rock and a hard place. You're going to resent your job, but you need your job for the secure income. So why not reframe these certain challenges that you're not enjoying at work and set the goal in your mind, all right, for the next 3 to 6 months, I'm going to continue to work my job while I learn to master my trading processes and focusing on my mechanical trading plan, on my strategy, on my mechanical bulletproof mindset. I work on developing my mindset. And all the while I'm taking a portion of my income from my job and building my cash reserves, my cash savings, which are incredibly important to have before you transition to full-time trading. So it goes from, I hate this job, I want to escape this job and trade full-time, which is rushing the process and will often lead you to trade impulsively and take trades outside of your plan and make a decision to quit a secure job on a wish of making more money from your trading in the future when that hasn't been proven yet and you haven't established the proper foundations yet. So we turn that idea of a job I hate, I'm stuck in for the rest of my life, to reframing the specific challenges, helping them see how it actually helps their trading. Then instead of seeing you're stuck in this job for the rest of your life, putting a game plan together for the next 3 to 6 months, so you know this work is a temporary stepping stone, and you use that time efficiently and effectively, and the income you generate from that work effectively and efficiently to give you the best platform to be successful transitioning into full-time trading. So the first thing I get traders to do is to reframe their 9-to-5 job. You'll now see it as a way you're getting paid to learn how to trade. You have a secure income. You're getting paid to build your cash reserves. Each of the tasks you don't enjoy at work, ask yourself, how is me doing this task helping me become a consistently profitable trader? Answer that 10 times. Then any of those tasks that are able to be obviously deleted, delete them. Any tasks that are important but not urgent, date them for later. Any tasks that you can delegate or automate, do it. So you free yourself from uninspiring tasks at work. And then reframe your 9-to-5 as a platform, as a secure income, to then be able to go in there and focus on having a mechanical trading strategy. And let's say you're going to work your job for the next 3 to 6 months while you focus in on the following. Firstly, building a mechanical trading strategy, knowing your entries, your exits, your management, your risk management. Setting up drawdown protocol, setting up max trades per day, max loss per day, max loss per trade, and really dialing in your strategy. And then making sure it's replicable, mechanical, and profitable until you know your strike rate, until you know your average win. So these are all things that you need to know. Then with your specific average win of your mechanical trading strategy, your specific strike rate and your monthly return, how much funding do you need to have to be able to cover your current expenses and replace your 9-to-5 job? You need to know your numbers. You need to know with your average return how much funding you need to have, factoring in profit splits, to then transition out of your 9-to-5 job. Without that, it's just a wish, it's a fantasy, it's a hope. With it, it's a grounded business plan, a strategy of what exactly needs to be achieved before you can transition out of your 9-to-5 job. And then you focus on getting those returns. You focus on building up your funding as a way to ensure you're generating the type of income you need to be generating from your trading to actually replace the secure paycheck of your 9-to-5. And then you're watching every single one of my YouTube videos. You're using the BPM 3.0 training, and you're using Teller X before every single trade. And these are tools that you implement to have a bulletproof mindset. Now, what does a bulletproof mindset mean? It's a mindset that allows you to be in a certain state before every trading day so that you're not deviating from your plan. It's about having a replicable and mechanical state that's poised and balanced so that every day you show up to the market, you can stick to your plan consistently. And that way you can have consistent profitability. Because if your mindset isn't in that state, and let's say it's in a fearful state, then you're not going to take advantage of opportunities on that trading day. You're going to be off center. If your mindset is not balanced and it's in a greedy state, you're going to take too many trades that aren't part of your plan impulsively. So a bulletproof mindset is one that's in a balanced state. And this is where my BPM 3.0 training and Teller X help you get to. It's completely free. Just click the link in the description or in the first comment, download that training, download the Teller X tool, and you have that for life for free. And these are tools you utilize to get yourself into the state that's necessary to stick to your trading plan so that you can get the returns you need so you can quit your 9-to-5 job. And then finally, one of the most important factors is every trader knows that you don't have returns every month consistently. There are some months that are higher, there are some months that are lower. And let's say, for example, on average, your strategy returns 5% per month, which is actually 60% per year divided by 12. Some months will be 3%. Some months would be 7%. Some months will be break even. Other months will be 10%. So you build cash savings as a way to stabilize your psychology and as a way to dip into your cash savings if your trading doesn't perform that month and you're on the downswing of your average return. You have cash savings there to keep yourself stable and keep yourself process-based without having to panic. So reframe the 9 to 5. Use it as a secure paycheck, and in the meantime, the next 3 to 6 months, get yourself in a position where you have a mechanical strategy, a bulletproof mindset, consistent returns, the right amount of funding that gets you your end of month profit that you need. And use this all the while to build your cash savings also. And then the check I would be doing before I transition to full-time trading is, do I have proof of profitability? Do I have the right processes established? Of course, the risk management, the mechanical trading plan, the bulletproof mindset, but do I also have proof that I've been profitable with that? Do I have the right amount of funding? Do I have drawdown protocols established? Do I have the right returns for my trading that get me my monthly return? Do I have cash savings? Do I have proof of profitability? And if I can tick that, then I would be a lot more comfortable transitioning into full-time trading. But I'd always encourage traders to do that cautiously. Potentially look to go from full-time employment to part-time employment, so you still have some income coming in. Or if you do choose to go into full-time trading, then utilize that time wisely to build some form of a service-based business so you can also have a supplementary income coming in as well. Whenever you have supplementary income coming in, or cash reserves, but especially supplementary income, you stabilize your psychology and your trading decisions, and it helps with your trading performance. So traders, this is the one rule. This is the 90-day plan. If you don't follow this one rule, you're leaving yourself significantly vulnerable to going full-time and then blowing up and giving all that back. You're leaving yourself vulnerable and in the hands, the mercy of the market, which is not a good place to be. So learn from my mistakes, learn from the mistakes of the traders I've worked with and consulted for. Implement this 90-day plan before you even think about transitioning full-time, and it will save you an enormous amount of time, money, and heartache. If you got even just one insight from this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And traders, make sure you download the BPM 3.0 training and Teller X. It's a complete game changer in what you're going to learn in the training, and then the Teller X dashboard that you get access to completely free. Again, the link's in the description and the first comment. And traders, thank you for watching to the end. I'll see you all in the next video.